Hello everyone, welcome to TeachTech. In this new video, I'm going to show you how to set up ArtemisMQ in local environment in Ubuntu operating system. First of all, go to your browser and search for ArtemisMQ download. Click on this first link. I am using Java version 8, so I will go to past releases and search for ArtemisMQ that is compatible with Java version 8. Here ArtemisMQ 2.19.0 is Java compatibility 8. Download this tar file. You can also download this zip file as well. Download is completed. Open the file location. Open the terminal. Check the Java version. It's 1.8. Extract the tar file. tar space minus x v z f folder name. Go inside the extracted folder of Apache Artemis. Go inside the bin, cd bin. There is a file named as Artemis. So let's now create a new broker for Artemis. Give the command sh Artemis create broker 1. This is the broker name. Okay, let's provide the default username for the broker. Broker 1. I will keep the password as broker 1. Allow anonymous access. Give y. Okay, the broker is created. If you check the folder again, a new folder will be created here as broker 1. Now to execute the Artemis, you should copy this whole command. This is the path for Artemis file inside the new broker 1 bin Artemis space run. Copy this command and paste it over here. Copy it, paste it over here, and now hit enter. Now the Artemis has been started. Copy this URL over here. Go to your browser and paste the link. You can see the Apache ActiveMQ Artemis management console. Give the username and password that you have just created. Okay, now you can see the Artemis console. Here you can see the address memory used, broker info, version, uptime started, cluster info, connections, sessions, consumers, producers, addresses, queues, the list of queues over here, attributes, different attributes from here, operations, chart, and broker diagram. You can see acceptors inside this folder and also the addresses inside this folder. So this is how you set up the ArtemisMQ in your local environment in Ubuntu operating system. In the upcoming video, I'm going to show you how to connect the ArtemisMQ with the MS SQL database. So please stay tuned. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon. Also, please share your thoughts on the comment section below. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Bye bye. Take care.